Hey guys, so it's 6th December. It's a Thursday and I'm on my way. I'm trying to get ready to leave for an exam that I have in like 1.5 hours time, or like 1 hour's time. Yeah, 1 hour's time. I haven't leave house. Yeah, so I don't know, I just thought I'm gonna put on my socks when I talk. I just thought that, like, you know, because I'm having exams and like submissions, so why not maybe try to do like a vlog. Yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to post more stuff. Yeah, so I have a paper at 11:30 and I'm gonna leave house and like after I pack my bag. Hey.
Hi.
Fuck, exam ready?
No. Are exam ready for me?
No, I like
Oh.
my seat number.
Okay, okay.
I love Namy.
Yeah. How's your day, guys?
Bad.
Why?
Okay lah.
In the table. First. Hello.
That's so ugly compared to
No.
anything.
Drink this. Tell me what it tastes
No.
like. Esther. Milk.
Hey, nice ah.
Huh? It's not even hazelnut. This is hazelnut, but it's not hazelnut. They like me. They cheated my money.
Okay lah.
It's a scam.
Scam! Got so many submission.
Drink Dasani, guys.
I haven't
The best
do
drink
my
ever.
revision.
I haven't even researched.
Yeah, man.
Hey, I'm not in your vlog.
Hey.
Just ended our first date.
It was.
Wow!
What a beautiful
camera. How's exam, guys? Exam was like poop.
Okay lah, not bad.
I look like shit. I cannot be in the camera. I'm gonna fail. I'm in Sheng Siong now. I just got like pao and pepperoni and mushrooms for the pizza. Oh, should I get cheese too? I'm in the cheese section. Yeah, got cheese. I have to like look for the cheapest thing because I'm damn broke. This is cheap, it's $3. Okay, I have no hands, but yeah. So I'm just gonna make like a 2-ingredient pizza dough, like pizza dough, and it's like really easy. My friend says it's idiot proof, so I don't know, maybe I'll like take a video of me doing the pizza. I'm getting drinks now. Okay, so I just bought my ingredients and I didn't buy a drink because I'm too broke for a drink. So I'm just gonna make tea at home, okay? At $10 and like it was $10, so okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna make pizza now. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be like a cook with me video. So I'm gonna make like an idiot proof 2-ingredient pizza dough pizza. Okay, so we'll be making the dough now. We need 1 1/3 cup of self-rising flour. So that's 1 cup. Wait, let me just. Okay, it's about 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup. Or like more, like depends. You can just add, oh should I just spill? Yeah, you can just add more as you go. Yeah, so, and 1 cup Greek yogurt. Yep, so I'm just gonna pour everything. This makes like, let me see how much this recipe makes exactly. Yeah, so 1 cup Greek yogurt. Just pour it in. Let me show you what I'm doing. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just gonna like mix everything here And maybe like after the flour and like the dough clumps up together, then I'll use the electric mixer to mix it properly. Because I don't want the flour to like fly all over. Yo! Someone's at the door. Amanda's over. Amanda, come on, say hi! Beep beep, da-doo-doo-doo.
Hi,
reporting. Reporting.
I go toilet.
Okay, cool. I'm making the dough now. Just gonna use the spatula instead. Yep. Okay, I just laid down the baking paper. I'm gonna knead the dough. Wash your fucking hands first, man.
What?
I was talking to myself. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't think you're not, I mean.
Yeah, man. This is dough. I wash my hands, okay? Proof. I can wash proof for you.
I believe you are clean. Some people I would like doubt them a bit.
Right?
I believe you're clean.
Okay, so we got the dough here. We're gonna knead it. Not knead it, we're just gonna flatten it and add more flour as we go to give it the structure that it needs. Yep. Please wash your hands before you do this. Don't be disgusting, okay? Cool, so I'm done with my pizza dough. This is how it looks like. Cool. Yep, I made it. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna like spread the sauce on the pizza now. I put my pizza on the tray that I'm gonna put in the oven later. So let's take the sauce and I'm gonna pour it. Woo! Wow, okay, I'm just spreading out the sauce. Now you just put on the toppings you want. I'm gonna put my pepperoni first and then I'll put my mushrooms. My hands have been washed, so please wash yours when you do this. Yo dude.
Oh, you legit made from scratch, huh?
Yeah, bro.
So amazing. MasterChef.
MasterChef Singapore teen version. Oh shit, my hair is dirty. Damn. I can join the competition, man. Now, suddenly.
Suddenly all the talents come out.
I'm gonna add the pineapples.
You like pineapples?
No, I don't like pineapple. Like I like pineapple juice.
Wait. Then you add the pineapple for?
Like Hawaiian pizza. Just cause.
You don't pick it off, right?
I don't pick it off.
Oh, okay,
Oh
very
my
good.
god. Why would I put them on and then pick them off, Amanda?
Okay, because everyone I know.
She doesn't make sense.
Everyone I know
Pick them off.
picks them off, yeah. Freak. It's good though.
Yeah,
but
this-
you're using like the can one.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Same.
It is the same answer. No, fuck it.
Yeah.
Now put the mushrooms now. Literally out of the can. Presentation skills. 10.
Never mind. Always, man. Never change. My birthday present. So
Oh, from who?
my mom. She bought me like an iPhone and this. And I was like, oh, thank you. That was the one without the contract.
So what happened to your iPhone?
I traded it with my sister because she got this.
Then?
And then that one has 16 gig. This one has 64.
Oh.
So I traded it.
Clearly, we know what matters to you most now.
Actually, iPhone
memory.
sucks lah. iPhone sucks. You can't do anything.
God, it
you can't
doesn't.
download
No.
music straight. You can't watch. You can't download like
Yeah, but-
videos, anime, nothing. It sucks.
Okay, I'm not into that. I'm literally all about the nice pics. And I don't know, I kind of like
I'm sorry,
FaceTime
but
and
this
iMessage.
has, this has really good like.
I like
pictures.
FaceTime. Amanda just said an Oppo phone has really
Dude,
good
Oppo
pictures.
phone has good pictures.
And I don't agree.
It does.
I'm putting pepper. Yeah. Cute. Okay, anyways, like my camera ran out of space, so I had to change. So I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven now, and I'm supposed to tell you that you're supposed to preheat it for like before you while making this. I forgot to tell you, but preheat it at 200 degrees Celsius. And now we're gonna put in the final pizza in the oven. Guys, apparently Instagram has video call. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna try now.
Someone lives under a rock and says that.
See, it's not video. Oh wait, I didn't try it.
Someone lives under a rock.
Oh my god! Instagram has video call! The fuck? Okay, we can hang up now. We're just like idiots. Oh my god, what the fuck? This is new information. Thank you for spreading new information to me. Thank you, thank you. She uses a Mac, but she's on Windows all the time. Logic. Okay. My weird friend. Hey, I'm a master chef now. Look at me. Cool. Yeah, so this is basically how my pizza looks like. This is the whole like dough that I made just now. So you can just estimate how much, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pizza now in the oven. Cool. Ouch. Careful. Yes, Habibi. Look at it, look at it. Damn. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here for like 20 minutes on 200 degrees. Yep. Let's go. So we're gonna take it out now after 10 minutes of cooling down. Whoa, damn. I'm cutting the pizza now. Amanda, give me your thoughts on the pizza.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna cut like 5 pieces, I think. Guys, so now Amanda wants to take picture. She wants to challenge. She wants to show us that an Oppo phone can take like sick ass pics. So you want me to on all the lights for you? Huh? Maybe like you need the assistance. Eh, she needs the fan.
Can. Oppo, you need.
Yeah, man. Okay, so
Yeah, it has good.
I got more light for
It's a
you.
good camera. Jesus. You just don't believe it. It does. It does. Look at the freaking pizza.
Okay,
Look at
okay.
the pizza.
Okay, it totally, I'm not saying that it doesn't look great. Like, it always looks great on, like, the phone, the camera, the picture. Then when you post it, right, it just looks different.
Okay, okay. Take your phone.
Cool. Amanda, eat it, man.
I still have pepperoni. Oh my god.
Sit down and eat, man.
Let it
Like,
fry.
it's time to eat.
They're on the fly. Look it.
Yeah, man. Oh, send me some pics.
I may have like 2, but this is the best side, you know.
I love your umbrella. Please don't leave it here. Because I will use it.
Yeah, I like a few.
So, rate out of 10.
9.7.
Don't lie. Hey,
Okay.
you're not one to lie. Why are you trying to lose your integrity now.
The crust is hard. That's why it's not 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, you like the soft crust.
Yeah.
I don't know why you like it. It gets so stale after a while.
But that's the point, because it's damn chewy, and then you're like, they're just chewing.
No, the crusty one, the crunchy one, like
How would you rate your own pizza?
I think it's like a 4. Like I can do so much better. Like this.